So the primary components, and the cost of those. So you have the equipment cost itself. So you're going to have energy assets. You're going to have paralleling switchgear. You're going to have transformers. You're going to have what we call balance of plant, which is all the wiring to connect to the facility. You'll have cable tray, all the power equipment building. So all the major components, equipment that it requires to have that solution up and operational. Then obviously you have to install it somewhere. So you have the site prep, construction, uh, installation of the equipment. You have the commissioning of the equipment. So at that point, you have purchased all of your equipment and you have it installed in site, commissioned. So you have an operational microgrid at that point. So industry calls that commercial operation date, COD. So post COD, your expense in that microgrid comes in the form of monitoring the health of the system. So at PowerSecure, we have a very advantageous software application called Power Controls that is run in a network operations center by our Power Controls operators. So as a customer, you can visualize in a web view alarms, the proper operation of the system. When the system's running, you can see the output of the system. You can see when it shuts down. So it's a complete window into the operation of the solution that we installed. Then you have preventative maintenance, just like you get the oil changed on your car. You need preventative maintenance. We suggest 4 preventative maintenance visits a year, so that when you need this asset, that it's going to run and provide power to your facility. So obviously there's expense to that. Then you have the fuel cost because it's going to run either on diesel fuel. If it's a reciprocating engine running on diesel fuel or natural gas, you have energy storage that's getting charged from either the grid or from some renewable. So that's the fuel cost of a energy storage device, is the levelized cost of energy that gets stored on that asset. You have the renewables. So, it doesn't cost anything for the sun or the wind. So, but those systems are a little bit more expensive. Then you have any potential repair cost. If anything goes wrong with the solution in between preventative maintenance visits, you have that repair cost that you need to contemplate. So that's what goes into what we call the total cost of ownership of a microgrid.